I'm George Clarke, and this is the Omega Kitchen showroom in the heart of Yorkshire. If you're considering a new kitchen, you'll know it's one of the most important decisions you'll make for your home. So I've been thinking, what would really matter to me when choosing which one to go for? There's no doubt we're living in uncertain times. Maybe because of that, I think it's important to support homegrown businesses. So when it comes to kitchens, I choose something that is and always will be reassuringly British. Every Omega kitchen is built right here in Yorkshire. They have been for over 25 years by a team of people as passionate about great British craftsmanship as they are about beautiful design. Each one comes with an enduring British quality that's vital if your new kitchen is going to keep looking its best and performing brilliantly for years to come. This makes Omega a great choice for your home.